Hi and welcome to this course. In this video, we will begin the process of migrating our website. In this entire section, I will teach you how you can upload your website that you made on localhost to the live server. So I will show you how you can migrate your website to live server. And if you remember at the beginning of this course, I told you that in WordPress, you get a lot of plugin and you can do almost anything with these plugin. And so we are going to use a plugin to migrate our website, and the plugin which I am going to use is all-in-one WP migration. It's a really famous plugin. It has over 4+ million active installation. The plugin is updated regularly. As you can see, it was last updated 2 weeks ago, so the plugin is pretty trustable, and we are going to use this plugin. So there are a couple of steps here. First up, we need to install this plugin on our localhost and we need to export a file. So this is what we are going to do in this video. In this video, we will install this plugin on our localhost and we will export a file. And in the next video, we will install this plugin on our live server on buildwithshubham.com and I will import that file. So let's just go to our localhost and install this plugin. If you remember, we need to go to plugins and then we need to click on add new. So click on add new. And here I will search for all-in-one WP migration. So here is all-in-one WP migration and we are going to install and activate this plugin. So here is my plugin. It has 4+ million active installation and it was last updated 2 weeks ago. So just go ahead and install this plugin. Alright, the plugin is installed. Now we need to activate the plugin. So click on activate. And after we activate the plugin, you will see that we will have one more option here. As you can see here, we have all-in-one WP migration option here. And we are going to export our file. If I hover over it, you will see that there are 3 options. There is the export option which we are going to use, and the import option which we will use in the next video, and the backup option which we are not going to use. So just click on export. And we will export entire website right now. So just click on export and then click on file. Now this will take some time because it is retrieving all the data that you have in your website and it is packaging it into one single file. And now we have the option to download that file. So click on download, and this should not take more than 2 or 3 seconds because we got on localhost. And yeah, that's it for this video. In this video, we exported a file, and in the next video, we will import this file on our live server. So all of that coming up in the next video. Till then, bye.